Welcome to our latest video, where we dive deep into the lush yet contradictory world of high-profile events like the Met Gala, Cannes Film Festival, and the Oscars. While these glamorous occasions captivate audiences with their stunning red carpets and star-studded guest lists, they also raise significant questions about their environmental impact. Join us as we explore the hidden carbon footprints of these iconic events, the surprisingly detrimental effects of the fashion industry, and the challenges faced by celebrity advocates striving for real change. Together, we'll uncover the hypocrisy lurking beneath the glitter and glam and consider how we might reimagine these gatherings for a more sustainable future. 1. The glamorous world of high-profile events. Imagine the red carpet rolled out, the flashing cameras, and the sparkle of haute couture. The Met Gala, Cannes Film Festival, and the Oscars are not just events. They are spectacles that capture the world's attention. Celebrities grace these occasions with elegance, showcasing the latest fashion trends and making headlines. While these events are synonymous with glamour, they often overshadow a critical issue: their carbon footprint. Despite the glitz and glam, these gatherings contribute significantly to environmental degradation, a fact often swept under the red carpet. 2. The glitter of the Met Gala. The Met Gala, held annually in New York City, is a fundraiser for the Metropolitan Museum of Art's Costume Institute. It's an event that sets fashion trends and attracts a plethora of celebrities. However, behind the dazzling outfits lies a hefty carbon footprint. From private jet flights to lavish after-parties, the carbon emissions are staggering. Consider the travel alone. Attendees often fly from all over the world, not to mention the transportation of dresses, jewelry, and entourage. These flights contribute to significant greenhouse gas emissions, raising questions about the sustainability of such events. 3. Cannes Film Festival, a cinematic carbon culprit. Cannes, a picturesque town on the French Riviera, hosts one of the most prestigious film festivals in the world. The Cannes Film Festival is a celebration of cinema, but it also leaves a substantial environmental impact. The festival attracts thousands of attendees, including filmmakers, actors, and media personnel. The carbon emissions from flights, accommodations, and logistics are considerable. Additionally, the festival's reliance on energy-intensive lighting and sound systems further exacerbates its carbon footprint. While Cannes offers a platform for artistic expression, it also raises concerns about the environmental costs of such large-scale events. 4. The Oscars. Hollywood's environmental blind spot. The Oscars, or the Academy Awards, is Hollywood's most anticipated night. It's a celebration of cinematic excellence, but it also leaves a significant carbon footprint. The event involves elaborate sets, extensive lighting, and high-energy performances, all contributing to carbon emissions. Moreover, the travel and accommodation of nominees, presenters, and guests add to the environmental impact. Despite the industry's efforts to promote sustainability, the Oscars highlight the dichotomy between advocacy and action. Hollywood's biggest night often mirrors a broader issue: the gap between environmental awareness and tangible change. 5. The environmental cost of fashion. Fashion is an integral part of these high-profile events, but it comes with an environmental price. The production of garments, especially haute couture, involves resource-intensive processes. From fabric production to transportation, the fashion industry is a significant contributor to carbon emissions. Additionally, the concept of fast fashion exacerbates the problem, as new designs are rapidly produced and discarded. While celebrities use these events to showcase their style, it's essential to question the sustainability of their fashion choices. The glamorous outfits often overshadow the environmental costs associated with their creation. 6. Green initiatives and their limitation. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability at these events. Organizers have introduced green initiatives, such as carbon offset programs, eco-friendly transportation, and sustainable fashion choices. However, these efforts often fall short of addressing the core issue. While green initiatives are a step in the right direction, they are often overshadowed by the scale of the events. The challenge lies in balancing the allure of these spectacles with genuine environmental responsibility. true sustainability requires a fundamental shift in how these events are organized and perceived. 7. The role of celebrities in environmental advocacy. Celebrities play a significant role in shaping public opinion, and their influence extends to environmental advocacy. Many high-profile figures use their platform to promote sustainability and raise awareness about climate change. However, their participation in events with substantial carbon footprints raises questions about their commitment to environmental causes. The contradiction between advocacy and action is evident, as the allure of these events often outweighs their environmental concerns. While celebrities can be powerful advocates for change, their involvement in such events highlights the complexities of balancing fame and environmental responsibility. 8. Reimagining high-profile events for sustainability. The need for sustainable practices in high-profile events is more critical than ever. Reimagining these gatherings involves a shift towards eco-friendly alternatives, such as virtual events, sustainable fashion, and carbon-neutral practices. The challenge lies in maintaining the allure and impact of these events while minimizing their environmental footprint. As society becomes more conscious of environmental issues, there's an opportunity to redefine the narrative surrounding these events. By prioritizing sustainability, the Met Gala, Cannes, and the Oscars can set a precedent for responsible event management, paving the way for a more sustainable future.